We're back, we're back, we're back.
I'm in dude.
Here's our jollof rice. We're back, we're back, we're back. Jollof rice is looking good with a steak. Hey, Miss Tanya. Welcome back. Let me show you the jollof rice is ready. You ready, sweetie? To taste test. It is taste test time. Oh. It is taste test time. We're gonna scoop your rice on the plate. You want it in here? What are you doing?
Waving.
Give me the rice. That's the steak. Here's the jollof rice. It is ready. Welcome everybody. We're back. Our jollof rice is ready and cooked. We cannot wait to dig in. Miss Adele is gonna taste test this for us. It's the jollof rice. That's Miss Adele's plate. It is taste test time. Oh, hold it. It is taste time. That's the jollof rice you're seeing. Oh, it is taste test time. Miss Adele will taste test for us. Adele, give them a minute first. Let a few people join. Let a few show them your plate. It is this, and that's the jollof rice. That's the steak on it. She can't wait to dig in. As you can see, she's ready. Look at them and talk to them, Mama.
Hello, everyone.
You want a spoon?
Spoon.
They can't see you very well in your food. There you go. It's ready. Dinner is ready. Dinner is served. Adele is going to say her grace and taste test for us.
Lord, I thank you for waking us up today. I thank you for this food. I just pray, nourish not my body, and teach my name. Set it fast so I can get to eat it.
That's the jollof rice.
Take your virtual bite, everyone.
So take your virtual bite, everyone. Be careful you don't drop the plate. You gotta hold on to it. And give you something to put on your tie if it's hot.
It's not. It's okay. Mom, it's okay.
So you don't burn your tie. Then okay. The jollof rice is ready. Yummy.
Good evening, Miss Darlene Crowe.
Try your steak too. You want to hold on to this. She's trying the steak. Hi everybody, welcome back. You can do it.
I can see the light. It's so good.
She can see the light. Adele, you're something else. Let me give Jalen his. Because I know he's ready. Jalen, come for your job. You said it smells good? Jalen, come get your food.
Have you heard of that word before, guys? It's a real word.
My mouth is watering as I'm eating it. It's that good.
Gonna Jollof. He served you like a whole princess.
Because you know when you're taste testing, you gotta get
Princess treatment.
treats.
How did we say that at the same time?
Jinx, double
Because
jinx,
it's
triple jinx.
Quadruple jinx.
Infinite jinx.
Infinity and beyond jinx.
Jalen, can you eat all
Nothing
of
can
this?
top that.
That's Jalen's
You're
jollof
right.
rice.
I'm not gonna argue.
Let me give him one more.
Hello, Miss Vivian Brown.
Meat is in here. Okay.
It's that
That's
tantalizing
Jalen's
and yummy
bowl.
that my mouth is watering.
There you go. Well, this is good.
You did an amazing job.
You are all invited. Come enjoy the jollof rice with us. Now I'm gonna give you some of the takeout shrimp. You want to try
did
that?
an amazing job.
Oh, thank you. I'm not giving you no jalapenos. Jalen, you want to try the takeout shrimp? You're gonna get 2. Try it.
I'm snapping up.
Boy, bye.
Last time you did that, you drank like 3
Uh-huh.
bottles of water.
What do you mean I ate all the hot?
Try it first.
You don't need it.
Last time you tried jalapeno, you washed it out of the sink.
Already a little spicy. Tastes really sweet.
Mm.
And it's super crunchy.
True. Has like a mixture of sweet and savory.
This the takeout shrimp.
Okay, don't we peel this off because it won't break any of them.
Why? It's tantalizing.
And then eat it with your jollof.
Hold on. Get that.
I'm trying to.
Gotta lick my fingers, obviously, just to savor
Yeah,
that.
you look fine the way you are.
Who? Jalen. Jalen, you can come stand beside her and eat yours. Come on.
I'm not ready.
Come on. Okay.
Mm.
Whatever.
Uh-uh.
Since when are you worried about that? I'm eating my shrimp.
The jollof with the shrimps, it has a mix. For all of them, it has like a mix of sweet, savory, and a little bit spicy. The 3 perfect flavors.
Oh.
Anyways, I should stop procrastinating and probably get my rating now. So, for everything, it would be infinity and beyond.
Oh, thank you.
Nothing can go past that.
The jollof is so good, huh?
I don't eat differently. Anybody?
Tearing up this jollof. And the weird thing is, I don't really like onions, and I'm eating onions right now.
The onions give it a more sweet flavor, believe it or not.
Yeah.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to our live. Welcome to our taste testing.
Are you chewing, girl?
If you just joined,
No.
here's a Chinese takeout
I'm
shrimp
just
that we
inhaling.
made. It's just about gone. I've eaten more than half of it myself.
Guys, I'm not even chewing. I'm just inhaling.
Now, don't go and come every second and eat it. It's that good. Go to our recipe and go make you some jollof. Nadine.
I'm gonna go enjoy.
All right.
And by the way, for all of y'all who didn't know what my rating was, infinity and beyond. For all of you who are just joining.
Thank you, baby. Oh, that's the Chinese takeout shrimp. It's going. Very good. Very good. If you want to wow some guests in your house, make that. Is the rice like cheese rice? No, Miss Vivian. Jollof rice is not like cheese
It's
rice.
more spicy.
More like Mexican rice, but richer.
Spicy.
Not spicy, richer. It's richer.
I want the jalapeno.
No, probably not. I'm saving the rest for myself. It's richer. So what I did while I was gone, I didn't do anything to the rice. Kept it covered the whole time. And the steam did its job. If you have a Dutch oven, that'll be a perfect one to cook your jollof rice in, okay? I love you all. I just wanted you to see the finished product of everything we worked on. When the kids eat and they're happy, I'm happy. Welcome everybody. Make sure you hit the share button at the bottom. And S-H-A-R-E, because what sharing is caring. Chinese LOL. Chinese takeout shrimp. That's what we made. You gotta go watch that video on how we made it. It's awesome.
The jalapenos are perfect.
Those jalapenos are perfect. If you don't want it spicy, take the seeds out or skip the jalapeno and just add garlic. But when you go to the Chinese buffet, you know those Chinese buffets? And you see the shrimp over there like that with the peel on. This is that recipe. It's the bomb recipe. You can make it at home. And the Chinese restaurant ain't got none on you. Now, I know it's gonna have a jalapeno pot. What are you all having for dinner tonight before we go? What are you having for dinner tonight? What's on the menu for dinner tonight? What's on the menu for dinner tonight? Beautiful people. Like I said, with jollof rice, you can make it any way you want. You can add your chicken, you can add fish, you can add steak, you can add shrimp, whatever protein of your choice, or even make your vegan jollof rice. Okay? Add some mushrooms in there. Chili dogs and onion rings. Sounds good, Miss Tanya. What else are you all having for dinner tonight? Miss Darling Curry, what's for dinner tonight, Queen? What's for dinner tonight? Miss Darling Curry has tried my jollof rice before, so she will tell you what it tastes like. She won it on a trivia, and I sent it to her, and she's tried it before. Miss Darling Card has tried my jollof rice before. Who else has tried my jollof rice? My friend Liz has tried my jollof rice before. Going to get some seafood. Sounds good right about now. Seafood. Seafood lovers. You know I don't play with my seafood. Look at your shrimp. It's gone. Yummy, 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 Miss Vivian. I get you some shrimps. Or some fish. Or some lobsters. Or oysters. Welcome everybody. Hit the hat. Hit the hats. Hit the hats. Hit the hats and the lights at the bottom of the page. Hit those hats and lights. If you are just joining, you have to go back to my page, Eliza's Kitchen, and look for the previous video to see how we made the jollof rice that my daughter just taste tested, and the Chinese takeout shrimp that I just taste tested on here. They're both delicious. Follow the recipe. My recipe is very detailed, step-by-step recipe, and you can follow it and make it in your home as well. Make sure you share this video to your timeline so you can always refer to it and make you some. I love you all. I'm not going to take too much of your time. Without much ado, I'm going to say have an amazing evening. Have a good night. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for engaging. Thank you for the shares. God bless you. I'll see you all tomorrow. May the angels watch over you. Don't let a bed backbite. And remember, God loves you. I love you, but God loves you more. Okay? I'm going to the get a seafood. Oh, the seafood boil. That's even better. I love me some seafood boil. Miss Vivian, enjoy. Bon appetit. Bon appetit, Miss Vivian. Love you all. I'll see you tomorrow. Mwah. Heart, love, peace, happiness, and blessings. Have a good night. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye.